Hi Joel, how are you today? Hi Alex, I am good, thank you. How about you? I'm fine too, thanks. So Joel, I want to know more about your daily routine. What do you do every day? Well, every day I get up at 6:30 a.m. I have breakfast and then I go to work. Oh, that's nice. What activities don't you do? I don't watch TV in the morning and I don't go to the gym during the week. I see. When do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7 a.m. And what time do you go to work? I go to work at 8 a.m. Great. Now you can ask me about my routine. Okay, Alex. What do you do every day? Every day I get up at 7 a.m. I go to school and I do my homework in the afternoon. Interesting. What things don't you do? I don't cook and I don't play video games on weekdays. When do you do your homework? I usually do my homework at 5 p.m. And when do you go to school? I go to school at 8:30 a.m. That's a busy day. Yes, it is, but I like it. Me too. It's nice to know your routine. Alex, thank you, Joel. See you tomorrow. See you. Bye.